Hey guys, Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Frame Arms Growth Stylet XF-3. Alright, here is the box itself. Now I've actually ordered this like way back in March. I didn't really order it. The school club that I usually I've got just me. Just to let you guys know, I've already graduated from my college and just waiting for the enlistment letter to come for my national service. So in the meantime, I'll be free to build Gunpla. So yeah. So let's go on to the unboxing. So yes, this is basically a Gunpla that I ordered from my college's art club. Basically, it's the plastic model club, and well, it's been sitting in the HLJ warehouse for about a couple of months, and I think by the time I reached Singapore, by the time I reached Singapore, God, that's a train of thoughts. Okay, anyways, okay. By the time I reached Singapore, the kit has been shipped out to the buyer, which is the school club. So, yeah. It took like almost 2 or 3 months just to come. I mean, and anyways, it came just time after I came back from my quarantine. So yeah, it's a good bonus, I guess. So let's go into unboxing. So yes, first there's no tissue paper wrapping around the box, mainly because the guy who held the orders were just tear it out. Never mind, it's fine. That's all the most important part is the content and stuff it's all good inside. So the box art, yeah, I mean it's a typical film. I was originally wanting to get the original Stylet. I mean the first version. This is actually the second version, and you can build a normal Stylet if you want to. So yeah, it's in a box. So yeah, it's a very thick box. I mean, this is a Kotobukiya kit, and no way in hell this is not the usual plastic model kit I've ever built. I mean, I bought this because I have a Gourai kite I've built already, so I just want a kit to go along with that Gourai kite, and the XF-3 is just a perfect match. So hell yeah. On the side here, you got stuff you can do. These stuff parts of me. It's basically you can build the original. You can build, like I said before, you can actually build the original Stylet if you really want to. I mean, it's just 2.0 Stylet really, but to me, why would I build an original Stylet when you have all these new parts to make it look so better? That's just me really. So you got 3 faces. I mean, you got the you got normal face. Again, this is one of the things I don't like about this kit. I mean, for the face, I mean, I know they give water flags, which you can edit it yourself, but I don't like it when the eyes are looking at one side, like just like tilted to one side. I rather want to look straight. But you know what you gonna do? You also get a surprise face, and you get a arrogant face, a cheeky face, like yeah, like that. It's my bad. Doesn't mention the price, but it is 5,500 yen. This is a real expensive kit, so not the usual Bandai kit. This is a Kotobukiya kit, so it is very different. So unboxing. First back we have the P runner. This is the new hair pieces for the Stylet XF-3. Basically it's basically a little more bigger, a little more wider, and you get a hinge joint on the hair. So you could get extras though, so you can break them, so you get spares, which is pretty good. And you get the B plate, which is the original plate for the original Stylet. The hairs are a little thinner, as you can see. This is way more wider as opposed to this one. And then you put two pieces as opposed to this one, just this one piece on its own. Yep. C plate. This is from the original Stylet as well. I mean, all the blue armor. That's the original backpack. Some parts here and there. The L plate, this is a new plate for the Stylet XF-3. You get the parts for the smart gun, you get the parts for the drones, you got more armor parts here and there. And on the back, you get, and again, more great parts for the Gatling gun and such. Yep. The end plate, which is again, I think this is from the original Stylet, if I'm not mistaken. And then the Q plate, which is the new parts for the this is the XF-3. You basically have the drones, you got the spark gun, you've got like some armor parts here and there. Neat. F plate, which is all the joints. I think this. I remember this is from the Gourai Kai, if I'm not mistaken. And T plate, which is all the white parts. You got her panties. I see panties. Yeah. Her choker, the missiles, some of the armor parts, even the blade. You got that's pretty neat. You've got the G plate again. This is from the Gourai Kai as well. I know these parts goes on the railgun for the Gourai Kai, so great parts for the the joints. And this is the A plate, which is basically the skin flesh tone colors, flesh tone parts, basically your leg, thighs, butt, the joints, and yeah, it says Gourai Kai. So this is a 2.0 for the basically 2.0 for the XF-3. M plate, which is the more armor parts for Stylet XF-3, and you got the E plate, which is all the skirt armor, the skirt basically. D plate, which is again all the I think this is from the original Stylet, if I'm not mistaken. The J plate, which is I think this is more armor parts, I guess, for the original Stylet, if I'm not mistaken. The S plate, which is again, I think this mostly be a new part. Yeah, new part. This is for there's a little gray details for some of the parts of the XF-3. H plate. I think this is also from the Gourai Kai, if I'm mistaken. Again, my first one parts. Yeah, it's getting a little bit. It's getting falling apart. Okay. And next part you have the hand parts, which are in that rubber material, which is pretty neat. I don't like the old one, which is pretty in plastic, so that's nice to change that. The I plate, again, more parts, and the poly caps, which you don't use all of them, to be honest. K plate, more gray parts. And the last bat, okay, I found the first. Okay, so second last bat, you have the space stand, the hand joints, and the what should I call it, the waist, and then the O plate, which is basically the joints in different material, more tough material. In the last part, you have the face plates. You got, like I said, you got the normal face looking to the left. Again, I don't like that. I really wish it's looking straight. You got a Doya face. You got a surprise face, and you got the manual. Oh wait, before I get a manual, you got a water slides. That's pretty neat. So if you're painting, it's pretty good. So here's the manual. Yep, it's a pretty. It's just the usual manual. I mean, for it's a booklet. It's pretty nice. So, basically here is the stuff. The stuff you can look here, and the order sheet for Japan, and it's assembly just pretty much what you expect for an inflatable girl, really. So I'm not gonna go through that. But on the back you have the color guide, and you have like more of the like little instructions, and yeah, the colors here as well. So yeah, that's what unboxing. Wait, make it nicer. There you go. That's one unboxing of the Korean Girls Stylet XF-3. I don't think I'll build this anytime soon, really. I doubt it, really, because I'm thinking of building this like with my friends, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking what to do with this kit yet, so I will build it, but like immediately. Not because I'm not free or anything, but just want to focus more. Finish it back off so I can work on this, I guess. So yeah, this back, hopefully it fits well. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing. And see you more videos. Peace out.